Hey YouTube, thanks for tuning into my channel today. I wanted to show you guys how I dust my ends. In between haircuts, when you dust your ends, it will control the split ends. So that's what I'm doing here today. I recently flat ironed my hair the other day. So I noticed that my hair is getting worse. I do need a trim. I need about an inch to an inch and a half cut, but I haven't found a beautician yet that I can trust to do so and not cut more than what I need. So until I find that person, I'm going to continue to dust my ends to try to control the split ends. So right here, I'm taking the front bang area of my hair and using a fine tooth comb in my fingers to comb it out, and then use my fingers to guide where I want the shears to stop. And that's the easiest way that I found that you won't cut off more than what you need if you use a fine tooth comb and your fingers. So this is the side area of my hair. Now the front portion of my hair is much shorter than the back, and with the situation going on my side, makes it look even more finer and thinner. So from time to time, when I straighten my hair or get a haircut, I always got to cut my hair even, so it can flow right, or because my back, it'll just grow and grow and be long, versus the front, it takes a moment. But there I'm showing you the ends that needs to be dusted. You can always tell because when you comb your hair out, and if you hold it up and you can see through it, then that means it needs trimming or dusting. So I'm going to do my whole hair. And right here is the other side of my hair. I'm trying my best to give you view shots of the dusting of my hair, but it's difficult trying to see my own hair and give a view to you guys. So yeah, I'm doing my best. So there's another area. You can definitely tell that I need an inch, a good inch cut off. But I'm only going to do the tip. And you can see it clear there. And this is all over my hair. And my hair is different lengths in different area. The front is short. The top is short. The top crown area is short. So I will get that area as well. Always use a fine tooth comb. Here, this is the crown area. Pull your hair all the way to the top. I'm trying to keep the length, so when you pull your hair to the top and comb it, and it's feathered in, you'll keep your length. See there? Wow. I need a lot trim. So yeah. And it took me a moment to do my entire hair, only because you have to get the angle. If you cut your hair at a different angle, it's going to be all weird. Especially when you're trying to style it. You're going to have to do, it's just not going to work out. So yeah, just take your time. If you do have a beautician, somebody that you can trust to trim your hair, then definitely have them do it. So yeah, each section of my crown area that I pull up and trim, after you finish trimming it, you want to push it forward so you won't continue to do the same areas. So I think that's the last portion of the back, the crown area. I'm going to comb it down to its position. And as I'm combing it, I can feel the difference. Like the comb, the hair isn't popping, it's not snagging, it's easy to comb through. Now that I feathered all my ends, I have to make sure that I got most of it, what I can get anyways. That's the back end. You can see it clear there, just a tip. Use your fingers to guide it. You will never cut more than what you need if you use your fingers. Combing the hair through with the fine tooth comb, there's no pulling, snagging, popping, stuff like that if you keep your ends dusted or trimmed. And the more I kept trimming more and more off, I've noticed the combing got better. So that way, tonight when I wrap my hair up, first I'm gonna bump the ends and stuff like that, and then put some more moisture into it, and then wrap it up tonight. And that way, when I comb it down, it will lay good. So there, I'm almost done. Making sure I get all the ends and see how it's gonna flow or how it's gonna lay when after I comb my hair down in the morning. Yeah, the back is much thicker than the front, but man, them ends can ruin a hairstyle for real. That's a good 2 inch that I need cut off. But pull your fingers all the way down, and then when you use your shears, make sure they're sharp. These are my shark shears. I only use them to cut hair only, no nothing else. So that's me just finger combing my hair. It feels much better. I want to thank you guys for tuning into my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button so you can be notified of all my upcoming videos. And if you have any comments, any suggested videos that you would like me to do, please leave a comment down below, and I will answer all comments.